Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the positive integer solution of 3 over x plus 4 over y is equal to 5, or multiplying both sides by xy we can write 3 over x times xy plus this 4 over y times xy is equal to this 5xy, or this x and x will cancel out, so it will remain 3 times y is 3y plus here this y and y will cancel out and it will remain 4 times x is 4x is equal to right side is 5xy, or taking this left side to right and writing right side to left, we can write this 5xy minus this 3y minus this 4x is equal to 0. Or now taking common 5y from this first two terms, we can write 5y times there will remain x minus 3y over 5y, this y will cancel out, so it will remain 3 over 5, so 3 over 5 minus, to make x minus 3 over 5 here we have to take common 4 and it will be x minus 3 over 5, so x minus 3 over 5, and this negative 4 times x is negative 4x, and negative 4 times negative 3 over 5 is positive 3 times 4 is 12 over 5. So to make balance we have to write 12 over 5. So this 12 over 5 will cancel out from both sides. Or taking x minus 3 over 5 common, we can write x minus 3 over 5 times this 5y minus 4 is equal to 12 over 5. Now multiplying both sides by 5, we can write 5 times x minus 3 over 5 times this 5y minus 4 is equal to 12 over 5 times 5, or this 5 times x is 5x minus this 5 and 5 will cancel, so it will be 3, and this 5y minus 4 is equal to this 5 and 5 will cancel, so it will be 12. Now 12 can be written as 1 times 12 or 2 times 6 and 3 times 4. Now to make these two equal and x is integer, so when x is equal to 1, then 5x minus 3 is 2, so the value of 5x minus 3 is 2, and when x is equal to 2, then 5x minus 3 will be 5 times 2 is 10 minus 3 is 7, and when x is equal to 3, then 5x is 3 times 5 is 15 minus 3 is 12, and for next value of x it will be greater than 12, and from here, when y is equal to 1, then 5y minus 4 is 1, and when y is equal to 2, then 5 times 2 is 10 minus 4 is 6, and when y is equal to 3, then 5y minus 4, 3 times 5 is 15 minus 4 is 11, and for upper value of y it will be greater than 12. Now if we search to make this pair, we can write when there is 1 times 12, so there is 12 and there is 1, so for x is equal to 3 it will be 12, and for y is equal to 1 it will be 1, and 12 times 1 is 12, so x is equal to 3 and this y is equal to 1 is a solution of this equation. And there is 2 and this is 2 and this is 6 and this 6 is equal, so 2 times 6 is 12 and this 2 times 6 will be 12. So when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, then this 2 terms is 12. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 is another solution of this equation, and there is 3 but there is no 3, so for x and y it cannot be 3, so there is no solution for this case. So the only two solution of this equation is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, and x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.